Hi guys, so today we are looking at Arma 3 and we're looking at playing with mods. Two particular mods, the Opcom operations command and the single player cheat menu. So head over to Steam and under workshop items you will have to subscribe to the Opcom operations command and the single player cheat menu. Once you've subscribed and these are downloaded, they will then show up in the Arma 3 launcher, as we have here. And be sure to check these two boxes for the mods you want to play with. So single player cheat menu is self-explanatory. The Opcom commands mod is something that makes it easier just to play like editor missions, I guess you could say. But you'll see this as we go into the game and how easy it is to use, and you can basically just use the interface to set up very quickly your own missions, scenarios if you like. So here we are with Arma 3 launched through the launcher with our mods. Go into editor. I don't think it really matters what map you select. We'll stay on this one. Continue. So we just place down a soldier and then go to systems, AI mods, and there's the op command module there. Just stick that anywhere. Then play scenario. And then we have this new interface loading up, and there it is. Operations command. This is just a front dashboard screen, I believe. There's no interaction here as far as I'm aware. I'm only just started using this mod, so I'm quite new to it. So if you guys know any tips or tricks, then please put them in the comments below. That'd be much appreciated. So we can change our loadout to whatever we wish. For now, I'm just going to do this really quickly for the purposes of demonstration. The suppressor, yeah, that's fine. So we can call in support. I've had issues with the close air support that it doesn't seem to work properly. So we'll just select artillery, manage pull because there's nothing there at the minute. Into that one down there. M4 Scorcher. And now this is green, so we will have artillery support in the game we're about to select. That's fine. Squad. So here we can add our own troops to our team. Just do a couple. Let's have a sniper. I don't know, perhaps a paramedic. And that, so we've got a 4-man team. We can edit your appearance back in the operator section here. It's all fully customizable. So we've done squad, factions. I'm not too sure with this option here, but I think you can just disable some of the factions that are in the mod. And then we're into the objectives. So here we can select a mission. So we can capture the flag. Assign. We're going to deploy on foot. You can have reinforcements, so I think that means that the enemy will continually to loop and reinforce itself once they've been killed. I believe that's how it plays. You can show the targets for purpose of demonstration. I'm going to check that one so we can see the enemy pretty much easier. And that is pretty much it. Mission ready, deploy mission. So you can see it's fully customizable mission editor, but
Gambler,
don't have
you're
to
clear
go
to
and do all the
proceed.
scripting
Good luck.
and the
Battle Mage out.
deployment of all the detail, the enemy troops, etc. So it says click on the map to select insertion point. So the bad guys are here, the capture the flag is here. We can, let's say it's going up here into this area here, and there we are. And then there's the rest of our team. Good. So look at the map. We need to travel southwest. Already enemy contact. Yeah, and there it is. And there I am. So I'm pretty crap with this game. I haven't played Arma 3 for some time, but I just thought I'd show you this mod, and then it just respawns you. It's, you know, it's just, if you just want to have some fun, just single player, fine. The cheat menu is up here, so you click on load, loading done. You've got a cheats option here. We can infinite ammo, Zeus, teleport, spawn in a jet. Here we go. Let's do that one. Spawn into a jet. It's just a bit of fun with Arma. Or long gameplay. And there I go. So yeah, kill an action respawn. If you want to go back to the main interface in the mod, just click the scroll down on the mouse wheel and center click, and I'm back in the mod, and you can cancel the mission and start all over again. You can, you know, customize your operator, your soldier, you can customize your team, play with your factions. There's different scenarios you can look at. Global ops is another one. Objectives. Yeah, I think it's very very useful. So thanks for watching, guys. If you know any tips and tricks for this mod that I've missed, because I say I'm pretty new to it, I only started playing it with it at the weekend, but I thought it was quite a good mod to look at if you just want to mess around in Arma 3. As I say, you don't have an awful lot of time for scripting or long missions because of the busy lives that we lead. Thanks, guys. See you again soon.